Every year, thousands of fresh graduates dream of building a career in financial services. But many don't know where to begin. Some are still searching for opportunities, others have started working but aren't sure how to grow. That's where ABC Finishing School comes in. A structured pathway designed to take you from learning to earning. 1 month in the classroom, 3 months of internship, 3 months of on-the-job training with Aditya Birla Capital. You'll learn from industry professionals on real products, real sales scenarios, and real customer conversations. If you are a graduate from any stream and meet the eligibility criteria, you are ready to take the next step, successfully complete the program, and secure a job opportunity with Aditya Birla Capital with a CTC of 3.5 lakh. The program fee 100% reimbursed in next 24 months, and loan assistance is available if you need it. This is the ABC Finishing School, a real program with a real outcome for graduates ready to make their first big move. ABC Finishing School, your first smart career move.